The certified peer support specialists at Hinds Behavioral Health Services, they are individuals with lived experience to provide our clients with support, encouragement to our clients to help them to live a sober life in the community. Peer support is very important because they provide that extra support that sometimes a therapist or a case manager cannot provide or touch that client in a special way to help them to live sober and clean and to live a healthy and safe life in the community. The partnership is wonderful. I can think about the peer support on my team. She's great. She works well with the staff there. She works well with the client. She's a part of the team. She brings just an enlightenment. She brings a lived skill experience because she's someone who's been in recovery as well. So the partnership is wonderful. She provides the extra support. We couldn't do it without Coco. When one of the other staff can't meet a client or can't relate to the client, then our peer support can, because she's actually been right there where they are today. She normally play what she's supposed to play as a peer support. She doesn't do anything else other than provide support for our clients. We really don't use her a whole lot for like clerical stuff. You know, we want her to do what she was hired to do. So therefore, she just provide services to our client. She also sits on several groups, several committees out in the community, several committees with Department of Mental Health. So she's a great person. She was able to touch a person's life to help them to understand that they need services at Hinds Behavioral Health Service to encourage them to keep their appointments, to encourage them to come to the doctor, to encourage them how important it is to come to group and to be consistent with coming to group. It's an 8-week group, don't just come one time in 2 or 3 weeks. So she, provide them the encouragement and the support to know that they need to come every week for us in order to help them to succeed. Because she's able to connect them with different people in the community. She's able to help them with housing because she know certain people out in the community. She know the best places where a person who's in recovery need to live. If the community is not a good place to live, she discourages them from living in that area because of the different types of drugs or different types of alcohol stuff that might be going on. So yeah, she plays a great role in that area because she know the different consequences of living in the wrong places.